Perry Transportation Network. Omo Spinter buses wo ho. Ye de call excursion parties. Ye ni baby omo de call. Omo here drivers. Nti so your driver now lances in wu nko ade a. Eno an so be frɛ number na wo screen is 0242 824 969 0242 824 969. Kai say here nkofo a either say nipa ne te dansoman ana around dansoman fra almost see a the naked truth. It was for mama kwaba about the naked truth. So over some few days ni because me nya week boy many few hookups biya kasa mba ni biya kasa ni ade ba ne say no shase hookup ni ade ba ne say start ni ade ni nyina SBTV Africa. So many abrante ba ku ba be kasa na ono no oyo pimpim ba ne pa o pimpim ba no we bi say say ba ne say no start so yes ade na adenti and all yes ade no instead of say pushing man so aye adwuma and no dey also pimpim ma bema enti bibi nti unim say the naked truth me catch am say you say it as it is ewa show we so nti obeka na ewo na bibi nso nti no ye mfa na nim ba because of stigma insensem SBTV Africa program ayede ebe yedi educate yedi motivate sa so na yedi boa through SBTV Africa. So yedi hook up we by be brave be di me o send me WhatsApp message say a good program ayede ba say na be bi o mani because be brave na nim ne ekoso enye de bia na obehu positive things in kwa but sometimes SBTV Africa yedi negative things bi so a unhye da nim no so ba ebi mo nim ba be brave so nim internet me na brand ba ko abedi nkomo bosu bibi nti ye beto no din Sam before I share interview na say maminda me sponsor say PowerJet car battery power okay, the only strongest car battery in town the Roxin Ventures omo the PowerJet car battery buy call na kopa bi na to 5 years warranty baby o Ghana bia no obenye bia to ukoto car battery nko omo ton kra be kan for PowerJet car battery the amount the Roxin Ventures omo no my omo main office was Sharon Sports Lashibi Tema call na kopa bi na to PowerJet car battery omo na ma the good screen so no power yenko na me ni abrante no me din komo
pacho me jeso
me go straight to the point adwuma ben na we
pacho me angasa no pacho me angasa me tally click
we tally click
me record the quantities are loaded tracks or habo na me dey my boss so that is my main job adwuma me
na matso ye hookup who can ba man crofo shase the then adwin e ba ne sen na we decide say we dey say na we be
okay me that say pacho hookup no me man plan say me pimpe ama mema enya me idea but me old school no me start a WhatsApp group so okay WhatsApp by na efa nipa 30 yeah me me service kuma na me here and me add my friends so we chat, we have fun, we share jokes and but once a group no edu baby once a bema baby so say oh and there me ni girl but me obi am ne be den e be nante and I say we have fun and now the next day my man baby and me say fun keke and I say what's on the baby no make so onya ya on the baby that is sex na oban so there unim say on the baby na dey chia ba almost expect say we man baby see all na me so me go say and the hookup no o hwe meaning na having sex for money. That is the main idea. And he said, "Oh, there will be more. Be na on any way. Be na money scar. Then that is hookup."
So, I need a prostitution.
But ya no, ya brand no. Into no nkase prostitution because ka in the ashawo there will be am person beti Ghana. But o in hookup. No no onko jina kwa ho. O test no o friend na arrange time ben na we share guest house o ni fie na makona my number na amount na mo agree no now the amount na on support the baby only.
So for it's also school until after school now to so na say no e ba ne saying
after school no say me ba fie no it's not fake na me hwe ejuma ho edin oni me ha nti bitimi nya ejuma e bi wa guest house my manager wa guest house was Spintex nti ono kra no na me o counter receptionist obitimi ba oba lodge na obi sam say ono so onya oba for the night okay na mo say so o hwe guest house ejuma any hookup no your network elinke nti ho na me say o na me hwe obi ma fro obi me fro obi so man no so be me fine me 50 bi de na I den o de ama me na me nipa na nipa no so agi ni sika na okọ na me say me wa and once I'm here receptionist no me fan ka na me nya side money because salary na me jo no em fa me go do baby but on person ye ejuma more so nim Ghana for yeah obema ojuma hectic o person go ye cleaning and then so on more than on person more than 500 cedis but that is what we are used to almost this year nti me so na me dey no so balance me maybe I miss mommy wa na my head ma sending mo obi kakra me chiba so me feel no na me be tally clerk no nti me ka send them the hookup be me then me part-time job. Yes, because means we are good online. Nti me create groups different. I'm my girlfriend me come groups no because of say I have access to the girls that meet me know my baby. I'm fully secured. But when I come home sir but me my say me enjoy. I'll still do it. Nti me groups and this year me groups in a grow.
Who started study how long ni?
Oh, over 10 years.
10 years.
Yes. My running groups more than 10 years. Me read T-Poly I think 2010 so then me call service over 10 years but what's happened now a grow started from 30 and about 50 and so and this is maximum number of WhatsApp I think contain 257 members. I know all of that. Inti minya hookup group 1 257 na yama na was me san ko share another space for on account inti me hookup groups makuma 5 to 10 years. Hookup group 1 group 2 group 3 to 5.
Yes. In man only more hen and go no more hen. Recommendation and
yes, recommendation is one of the ways I mean man. That's networking. Unya hookup bakwa or adam for be on see den, on see hookup. No the naba because I dey on the trust so man hookup no koba no nya ni sika na sembia antuna na wa chese wa trust no I recommend you ama akusa o guy we o ma me guy on me fine but if you into so air contact no na send no pictures into me so be show me first where did you get my number let me wait no confirm me send me your pictures your videos na fe dey kita me into so be request here and I say we now pay my link you sharp
into unim say ne o ye so ton man o ton crop which is illegal and illegal.
Yes minim say hookup is illegal in Ghana into o share me groups now me hookup na on the low. Mine a dating group, but actually what is going on there is hookup.
So join obi oba beka group na be ma so say both men male and female. Enti that means someone can come to me chat your private.
Yes, enti there are two ways of it's maybe two or more. The member no it me contacting the partner direct in the group which I may not have any knowledge of it. But I always encourage them to see me so that in case there's any problem now with me ma checking the panel oh we are in Kofiti Newtown say no you know my friend Kofi adjuase o ye den oba o me ya aware until there be no do afre me ma sheda na me wechi adjuadu an so frɛ me dem say we do bibi na ka kyerɛ me until esa no po a say adwin boni bi wo Kofiti ma e ma no brass so you ka kyerɛ admin say o ko obi hono eboa me catch on girls na bi stubborn okwa on can show because of say also ma okakra e be 10% of the 200 cities 20 cities no on person obe ma nti on can show no akọ ti me okọ na on can show na okonya asem a o chiro na me ready ba me feel yeah
say enya ade a onim omo group onim obi a enya ade onim mama no onim omo
they pray online I've not met them
good.
Before
Nti who catch me say nipa na catch say oko ebia kwesi ho na obo amane na okonya asem kwesi ho wo den na obetimi aye
okay also oko kwesi ho won say hookup adenangasa a risk you are taking nti girl no oko no so nim say a risk nti me say okwa check environment check a risk you are be a risk unya ejuma ho talo oil ebia ofu we wetin ma hwe form nti ono so why ready ono oko no why ready why alert say anything can happen on betima bono on betima anyway nti because say just good luck yeah call and see send the pani jimi how they wetin feel yeah o hwe na on nem vibe ya live there the best o hwe na o dey call baby on pair come back I have situations lady any guy in a car, almost the car more shred. This is our more fun. I was saying, frame immediately. I told the driver, please return. She said she's not interested in no bar back because me name say I can't say the feeling. I'm pet. Maybe another guy in the corner. I said, "Oh, I understand you. It's okay."
It's we understand. Who commission? Who can be percent be?
But
so who pay in manama na who percentage won?
But because means to me here online ejuma. Okay, na me talk credit with my own money. Na me yes sir. At least the basic is that me 100 cedis hookup. Me there 10%. That is 10 cedis. Because when you sell lady on yeska no. And I mean, I hook up 100 cedis, I 50 cedis. I think about them, yeah, and then I open up to them. So they catch them on my wine 200 cedis, media 20 cedis. Oh, show me the be obit me guys. Oh, media call we will come. They send 10 cedis. Any problem? They send. Na imagine sir.
Internet is a hook no. Ebi muji 100 cedis niya. Ahi na ya moji. Omo highest ni lowest.
Hey, esuno obia.
So one also link your money.
Me there.
Group. So be a group no. So be bass up or bar. Oh
yes, yes, boys no. And I make us say, me know how I explain, but the men are crying over money. Yeah, almost say Nancy scar ni chrome. Nti oh, show fanekasa, me money 200 and I money 300. Fanekasa open night. Hookup nangasa short and the night prices are different. Short no ba on that and the one runner again 100 cedi no call. But night no see on that means you may go more than one run. So no be charge you more, but even night here 300. O show for kasa na me man night 200 and say scan you na me na kasa o genesa scan you genesa. Na even cry they don't like it, but o ne kasa you go be ko ba say me kasa na on pair I don't force. Hey. So I only try and convince them to take it because things are hard. Hey.
You see I'm buying here almost here.
Oh, I have how do I say it? I have like 1,000 girls.
1,000 girls. How many now one cry?
Dabi.
But
when I get a chance to meet them, I meet them. But me in Kasa me faka akoko forida akoko me member. Me here hang out. No beti maba umbra. You have access to admin. You can talk.
But it will be across and in Krankwan.
Yes, Koforida Sunyani Tamale. North. Mama hookup on North. North cry hookup no mu see because of society. But mama be me girls no person here but mu see more mu be. No guys, some be some new cap on off. Enough there, all the man, you mean thing. Now my me will be what and this is here. I'll try and say man hook up on off. I call 1 week. Me new be a man.
Into one person and man so we be there. I need a so we be. Oh,
me or girlfriend.
But we be there.
Oh, you there? Me ni. Anya my dream say, Mama hook up. It's me no baby. That but. Put me more be hook up na nani agya was say entina baby na no nsa. And sounds will lead to so many things. Oh na yen kofi. E happy na me okay. That means adults, 2 adults with this. But me nyama be say brother me no I don't want to spoil my group. Into me person keep respect you know. So I don't follow them to have sex with them or fuck them no. But if they want to vibe with me, they can.
But why we kakra wo?
Oh my ruby. My ruby.
And tell me free and no ntia.
Yeah, no as a bonus.
Because one man a client.
Henti or that was.
One kasa life ni the only BCC no. Oh, one kasa no feel say.
Seriously, hookup no. Okay, many different ideas this year. First, me like me quite sorry. Yeah, because me was school, me say me a pastor na. But me share society na one actually nyama nko yi. I say this why are the bad and say when you ska. And the girls are suffering. Obi ti ba me PM, me man 20 no fanko to eduane. Opeso ko ehwe edwuma, mo peso mo di no. Nti ofele send odi no de nyiska e better, so no do be free. So just say.
You will be more ha, me ni o makasa o daily hustle so. Omo ton ade o street so market. Omo ko out there and they are making it omo surviving. Nti ade na girls no maba today no. And omo peso be say edwuma, is it laziness and then and na omo peso, then nti no omo yesa.
Me adegunza me bi so omo. That is one question I ask them. What are you looking for in my group? Friendship, relationship. Now my person my share idea. I don't know person you no need no person dressing no okoswe gutu. Onye you maybe onye oni an brase especially more cities no. Onye ono nko tina da you need time. On person we can be unu say otuna body on da bi. Ntende o de new way no de be ejuma. engine room.
Hookup no enye dangerous say bi mutimi call matiti bi say mu call mu ma ebi mu call we ato omu ebi mu hwehwe omu busuafo ni sanyama no wo akoye obi a opempi omu no sanyama ebi mba woni
Ebi papa problems needed dosu
na ebi ni sen
obi timi call hookup na obi na da fiti njuma ko si anopa na we drainage no mama no lorry fare obi timi call hookup na omo agree say obeman 100 ye no si mama mesa no mumu nti udufia na masa no mumu on sene. So these are problems that omushia encounter they have with their men. So these are problems they have. It endorse me baby. With me call hookup. Then the lady be framing. But I'm for hookup. Beside them why worried? I'm for hookup. One buffy on 10 and come up in the phone off until omu nim the ABC. Up to now, I'm yet to even follow up and see what's in Ghana. So a very dangerous, risky job. Dangerous. Like, how do I say it? 70% dangerous.
Yeah, na married women so wom.
Yes, married woman pa. Baby.
Na omo ye ne say so okunu ntia de no oni omo din ko ye de no ye hookup.
Obi wa nikunu e ma ne ninje. Nikunu anytime e ma no. Obi won sa nikunu emfa ne nda. So many marriage problems e mo nti ono feel say ende on fa mo obi na o ma ne kakrapo no de agine ni a. Sometimes e bi kan na nyes kan no pe. But on person on a guy never die for free. Into the family that mommy baby na mama ninja with sex with money na uncle. But on no own on no say no on be advert. Say ope hookup that we. Me na me na vibe. Okay, so ope baby a catch make catch privacy assured. Yeah, or sending the picture for my wedding. Me o girls off be some picture on no we come. Because of a say be ordering the picture back to baby or internet I have to assure them of privacy. Very, very important. See, more girls or more university. But they are steady, they are students, they are sharp. But hookup to add up. Into married women there.
Now what about men this way?
Men, as in
married men this way.
They are my biggest clients.
Married men?
Yes. They give me the money. Yeah, you know they are matured. Yeah, on not even hookup 500 Ghana. Yeah, now I sending me 200. As I get on never send mommy bibi me G2. Yeah, until a boy me pa married. Until some inform on there, girl. Starting more matured men in my group because on my drink. Good.
Only more. Just only chat.
Obi are sending me 500 CDs and there just for Adibia me man. Yeah, and me call akoye Cosby. Osi obetua me fees amami. Yeah, nti me nkotua na oba obe owuska. Nti omo yiska ensure young boys na ya say omo niska no mo pay. We nti married men omo ya me biggest client. He say am target cry omo. And na in man aba no so married men omo pay. Uko bisa oba obeka tell say married man no ohwe oba say young boy no be da omo bebre. Married men no unda bebre but omo uska bebre. Wow. That's it.
We know idea say we do room full time
Yes, part time. Means me full time because me parents couple me say yes sir. There were day be ananka obi ba be hintin wa mama me. Me mama na me yi na ju say WhatsApp group, friendship group. We are just organizing more time na WhatsApp ni time WhatsApp aba. So friendship inti me feel go for best. Shame pa inti me see me more friends.
Your friends in himself, yes, are there?
Yes, now they are getting to know because they see that I have WhatsApp groups. And someone him say I pimp. I recommend them. Me person friend me pimp, me pimp because me WhatsApp group admin. I just interconnect people. Yeah, so I'm a mediator. It's no friend me pimp, but I've been do that level there.
Before we accept you, then all your answer no accepting the panel. So my be join group.
Okay.
Anything.
Group no. Mbani mema na join. Mema ba omo be hwe mma wo. Mma so ba oba so benya big man bia na boyfriend na na ope. Friendship, relationship, sex mate, friends with benefits, hookup. Yeah, inti me bisa say what do you want? Na me hu idea. Inti me ba okay, then send me your pictures and videos. That's all I'll ask from you.
Friends with benefits and here then.
Friends with benefits only wa down for mutimi have sex. But on charge at that moment. Da o hia bibi no so friend me hia momo wa send no da o hia sex so friend no beba which na me ono wa beda on Jiska. That's friends with benefits.
And you the same thing.
That be. And no Hookup here outright. Utia baking kind. Untimi for Hookup girl in Dana kind of man or China. Hey, you know Bekum. Obey the Obegu any mercy. Even we are crazy. Some are on drugs. Hey, inti. On all ban waishi. Scanning over.
So looking at Adia, do you regret doing it? And I will say okay.
I don't. Me okay, because you see, we are doing it for the people. You know, we need to survive. You know, I'm paying for your mom way. Maybe I listen to current issues. I'm paying for me boom my school. Me be scanner there. Me say I'll do it. I want to brand myself well. I'm here at any year. I'm benefits.
You see, I don't so branding no be answer any way the way you win him now.
Baby, say I mean to me him and you Hookup in Ghana because it's illegal. But it's a friendship and dating group. Now Hookup na namasie.
See we social media ne their Facebook ne Snap ne Instagram. No fit say social media na be boa youth no.
Yes, positive and negative. Yeah, be positive and negative. Aboa students here researcher they go online, go normal bonako. Or students now go prono, everyone prono sites. You see, so you as the parents, you may have to maybe monitor your kids, maybe sir, but a good, more positive way. But the girls are also watching this Snap. I'm sure outside, there are girls in here, no more, no more chile, no more yet tattoo, all sort of life. Into Hookup now, yeah, crazy. I'm even getting crazy about it because it wasn't like that some years ago. Yes, Charlie, I serious.
It will be advice men out there, or the mom who say, so catch us say, a mind my idea and no more. But mind my idea so for surviving. It is that the only means or no ban or betting in the Inyeska. Won't be being won't be being show.
Yes, and Yamina, boss, and Yamina never advice. So, what as a winning, and I will make a decision. Or dream once, I will make it. I can only tell you, I don't know how to say, Charlie, me pescan tentem. I mean, hey, until I don't judge people, I vibe with you. So they like hands. Uba I hope Hookup. Many problem. Many be a mailing the percentage now the one here. Asa.
Age banks are now and son and accept your in the group.
Oh, you should be more than 18 years. That is the standard age for. I can't bring a minor. Actually, I have a teen group. We are calling them. Don't do it. And I'm doing it. And there no porn, no nothing. They're actually benefiting from that group because I'm here SHS for schools. Because I see them chatting. I monitor. All the porno to me you cry. Because they are kids, they are teens, yeah.
I said more. So, I mean, when dreaming, so me kase many few ones are kasa. Na me person me who at that side, nyama, omo ye because me who groups in me da, me who omo Facebook ni adie.
Yes.
Inti na me person me so SBTV I can person me raw na me who adie omo ye. And I think say yeah no so ama ebi mu so ehun say nyama wo nyina akoso wo Ghana. So wo hwe percentage wise and person me bisa say no from 0 to 100 Hookup girls no percentage be na obetimi ama
as of now the whole Ghana Hookup girls
a new apartment be wo a man from Kaswa kai say just 12 minutes drive from West Hills Mall. Kaswa a man from Ohana Sadan we were. No agent fee. Nya de work of agent you offer away direct. Na nipa na so the 1,000 cedis a month. The 1,000 cedis a month I will share two apartments, 2-bedroom apartments, 1,000 cedis a month. It is when you je na uhia dan bi say Kaswa a man from a simple craft from 0242 824969 0242 824969 kai say dan no so CCTV wo ho ama fence dan no ho sa na bibia bi wo nsuo bibia bia ema efie complete no mo obi ho from CC asa na me kan say direct number no agent bia from na onioma adele.
I think a 50-50.
Yeah, 50-50.
Yes.
So 50%
yes.
of the girls near Hookup.
Yes. And I'll tell you, okay, let me add more. I will say La Paz, Kaswa. Meet my say hottest Hookup hotspots. La Paz. Me monitor. What is we know?
La Paz.
Kaswa. And I fa. Kaswa they crazy. Nigeria for me boom. Yeah, Charlie. Everything they there. drugs hookup girls no they be a be bagana any your foreigners La Paz there omo gi hotels omo hosti omba o beba no or demo ubedi uni be da na agents can no mba fi omo hosti from hosting. Yeah, I host but we say I don't host. Yes.
Yeah, man do na omo yes ade no nkran ha no mu fi ana so mu fi baby no mbe.
Oh. Baby omo fi baby no mbe yo baby. Because of you say the area no bi mu so ya. Nti obi o beka say obi pe hookup or kofuida da bi da me pe obi o kofuida na meti. Nti me pe obi o kofuida ba onye obi o wa Accra. Na wa lenke me fa ka ba. Yes, nti obi wa ye no onye won the city but oye o different place. Most of the times no they want privacy. Omo person be you ba ye omo so omo yi omo nim they are ready. Ono the picture to no the number na go ni no for so. Oye video no shaking it too. Na or the number na to neto so oni obi Dakar no twa short video no the number na to so.
Wow, this is a very be ani osa na
David
ehun bi ani osa so bi ani ho
nyama sesa sisi a amoye sex parties first na menti bi da ni pattern 5 girls 5 guys no more have sex together so do we na Ghana na bi na
so do we me hu I think say online bi e wo ho enya de ye
first ni abrofo na ye hu sa de na yakọ wi akọ internet cafe na yakọ tua na ye dwane na ehwe pono na ehwe se ohwe ya na bazi se ade ye wa nti nyama na ye hu online sometimes ago no aba it has come that online hookup referral bi na the book a channel girl we choose aba it has come to stay.
The sex party no wako bi pen
David
but onim girls no mo yes na
yes go for invite me baby but I know why I don't go. Yeah,
I didn't go.
I don't have interest in it.
Itomo kwa obi ane obi ada.
Yes, you on here obi ane obi ada and you on here one man one girl.
But I know say no then I mean some for bibi on for drugs and
baby ecstasy na de na benalin unte oba no me drug no be ba one be da the whole night until say open more into one shower be man ka wait my blackout and na im penny for condom drugs tablets red and yellow no we what is our stories ni vida hotel na be me wu ada because ope say the strength ni strong but wa call for fan ru no fan face young girl no if you say young girl no the energy level na different no mu so I'm of ma o de okọ in both places but you will be a friend ecstasy offer now one bar rough na benalin no high Charlie bad a man bought drugs no omo only mama ni na bo no more having sex they get high and they have sex that's what they are doing.
Anyway me asama okakra me ho adwiri
that is happening in life
nti won bema bi so wo a won bema bi so wo a emba no se na mo kofo omo ye hookup no ye bema bi so wo a ma no kofo omo ana eti omo
yes and also afi na eba afi na e develop na me craft me interest kaka o see boys na be bisa me say me here bibi to say boys group na yenye advert na in man penifo no omo pe obi no na da obi wa ni kunu approach we for amount 1000 2000 so piska anya man nkwa no me hookup no magiska enso yenska
spiritual we bi wom yes man bi wa oni omo da be ma bi so omo no ko man ko da mu so den
Africa they believe in spirituality nti yes oni obi da oni na share some contacts so spiritually nti man bi nanti that's what you should know man bi nanti omo ko nro so na de opeso onya papa bi a o kape na waye to ka ma me no ato nti man bi nanti nti spirituality in the Bahamas there's something going on.
One more big clients that on baby untin in Kabio.
David. Nyame adom. Me nya sa issue ni bi da.
Me ka nyame adom no tumi say Nyankopon supporting e oye no.
Oh. It's a you know I don't know how to answer this question. And I say me am I okay with it now? Am I okay with it? Me judge but me say enya de papa. Say oni obi be da obeji scan enya de papa e ashawo. But that is what it has come because of situations I be on some person back on ideas and open of feel say obetimi they are making money and that's what they are doing.
Among for twin Accra ma Nyankopon wo twin Accra ma wana.
That means me twin Accra ma some. And go for no me money that I'm only trying to structure it. Omo did that. Omo ye hookup first no ye hookup na unim o ko show be ma wono a disc na aba fi hookup onim no timi share no sport ase but omo nka o mami fa nko fi no maniska Hookup but say na omo brand no e ba be ye ejuma aba be ye sorry say omo brand ni ye nti me bua na brand na koso na me so menya ho bibi
nti girls e bi motimi aka ma adwun a chop pen say wa ko na
hey say but like na
wo wa kana adwun a chop client anye we and wa chop dey see here dey omo ye rude
hey Hookup girls are the rudest because of say on why hot opeska bush obey ya osisi a block you just say we wana oya ade boni na o correct no obey ya na west ni me ntiminka we are no a block you
nti na just say girls are bu ade wo fie bad parenting na be any appear
I don't see a factor
o wa dwinche
it's a factor for obi wa ni parents anhwe no or struggle the school fees ya obe brands awetia na papa be afre na o man is kan o na da nti e man yes na ma me fan grofo na me ngis kapreku say de be am na me bresse nti parenthood no ka ho
say bi muso ni odi nkomo
pa
nti den no muka show
obi wa o see I don't know person yeah I just like that on person be ejuma
ti laziness
yes laziness on person wa ko ejuma bi anti I don't know be you no are you ready but there are so many reasons obi wa ni parent wu nti oni obi a obi wo pesika dia akoye akorrent ni da intentem till your temporary hookup should I say that or your hookup dia nya ade na we jai
e meet me jai sir
yeah we jai o ti mi to card we jai you pe card ya Uber na hwe me to wie ya na o ti mi relax
before be ka so be to card aye Uber no be to card aye Uber no memo no me da say nye memo
and there depend so you lucky we ti mi nya be ma po be ti ma to card ma nti nti obi an luck nti obi wan so save omunye ska o man say we are get be 50 million 5,000 keke o dey share ni nyemam keke na me say on fast ka we nko bank oba me ho na me say won say we so dey ko bank ade we nya no within like 1 week nti ska wompa yes ska wompa
nti we dey see ade we are proud of what you are doing
yes I'm
na nya ade we ye jai
David
o ba pesa o sister baby
David
ade na o pesa o nua ba baby
because on this side is over but se mu say oye bia me ni problem
nti o nua ba so baby o be ma ne be ma
okay question no I say me ma no
ade na wo ma no
because oye mi nua
no ye o nua but because e obi fufuro na nyu nua
yes sir but mi nua no onu po nim say me yes sir
ba question me bi san say ye mfa ne say wo nua be hu say oye bi e na wo nim say wo nua so obi
me ma no
o can by force
da bi me ma no because but me ma no obi oye good
oba ma nua ndi oye good
but me catch eno me can say obi pe Hookup me man a bad person no I recommend the good ones hence me man obi oye good me man is kakese because no so enya bi because obi opeska dia ya di me man no
obi ba na o se ope oba bia obi sa specs
of course obi a on taste obi obolo goyi obi o se ope to akese obi ope nufa akese obi ope slim obi ope kokko obi ope tuntum nti obi a na taste
and also no ni mom nyina
yes same is picture na me di hu send me your pictures then I know nti obi so ope we na send picture na man are you okay na ma connect you
kai iti me won giri me
David ade na nyama akoso nyama akoso okrum o program na me di echi ba unim ma share one of your interviews ma share but sometimes me nya time me WhatsApp na be I busy ti mo YouTube na be na me Facebook because me groups na me wo refisa me catch up mo groups no Facebook and so intimate nya people from there so Facebook is one of my source of getting people because I advertise you want to join my group come so, and then recommendations and then I saw your number on Facebook and then me nya be 1,000 times I saw your number on Facebook about WhatsApp group. Can I join? 10 cities to join. I'm a GBC. Can I do?
And to be join the group now 10 cities.
You 10 cities. Be to 10 cities. Oba me I do free because oba the ladies first. Ninja masker. Oh, yes. Who mbra na onya akoko so whatever. So if I have the girls, I'll get the men. So the girls I pamper them. But the guys they over 10 cities no bet you some I do. But say oba na ebia me won say niska bro be niska ma do.
Anyway, and then me no be kasa short say na be hu idea Emma oh yes idea we na me dey
nti what's na be question ni bi enya me pen na me dey it just developed ba nta na me nya bibi na dey bi am dating group na me wo na me stock credit e bra me nya bibi abi obi ayin ska my shi
so obusuan hu say oh yes idea we
they wouldn't like it
say oh yes idea
yeah me mama on me papa on they don't know me like that. They know me as a very intelligent, serious person. So they don't know I do that.
Yeah, so for so in Yama.
Me my pastor Hookup. Me person member so me member so in.
No member so in. My pastor Hookup.
Me my reverend father.
Sir.
Me man Hookup. Obo no ho sin we kra. Obo me kra me hu. Oko akoye conventions or whatever o baby. Me pay bi man wo. Ono so be me fine. Otua fine.
Sir,
me map so for pastors, doctors, all profession. No, every profession has interest in sex. So sex sells. Yeah, me see in penny for me can put through this in go for me share mono. I am for nade. Yeah, nade nyina almost very requested. But penny low. Men posting the picture. Men fanin ko to David yeah man direct. That's the direct link.
Say ni sa no be catch oba ne say say na mo minimum few ones ka say you say the ban send picture ni ade man no. So wo man deal na hu yan so be send picture man.
Da bi me send because so person hu nipa okwa ko shia no. Ebia na ye ne uncle. Ebia ne papa. Ebia na ye mati stories bi say oba bia oye Hookup the papa nso a request o mko shia hotel. Obi dey ba. Say ko say o dey on sit down so there. So I just heard this but I don't know why it can happen. You can hook you are with maybe a family member yawa and take say wo say now here na feel there and me share no say unim na me nim no we no so but me can join the party
one more big client mo attend it down say we dey me type
yeah man be wo mo Hookup about store mo taste
sir it mo amusa no
oye Hookup but op boy no ho ye fe oye Hookup on pack okra yeah nti o mo pe taste you obi so around there bibia as long as it's the money. It's the money not there. But we are here, but what's not feelings, no, or they enjoy. So 2 in 1, enjoyment plus money.
They be a complaint to say, "I'm go share bema with the one boy jima."
E be ko te wu na re.
I'm catch you.
I asked them, I was saying, oh, man we ni ko te wu. Ko te obi mi ti mo obi Hookup man o mi again to na o man is can okọ. Nti again is one tiasi. I'm saying the minimum just a baby son. Many
few ones kasa am say bi mu dey form which na o kan say mu bisa sa.
Yeah, Anna, e bi bisa me Anna.
Sir?
Yeah, but
wo bisa
idea no. No girl o so ya Anna, no pe Anna. Ono Anna ka yes. O cho group ni my like Anna. You see what? Me nya Anna da. Minim say na tie. E na me o peyin bi ono so pe Anna. Na me say bi Anna. Da bi be ma peyin.
O gay Anna.
I mean the minimum. But you see guys on Mutaya and now they can be gay. Because we want to go to Oba or still plan. I don't know. And I say person adventure meaning also every week be man get crank up. Me na me join again mama bre.
How many girls have my bre?
Me feel say o say nkola no. Nti me join the girl ma. Yes. Yes, because my money you should be satisfied. I mean every week. And then me nkwa na me man girls or call online. I'm say stand out here. O then they know anu she. Nti na so be sama me man no.
It's nice that we need to form yes I never more doors apart from the Okan more guys so we are pimping sir.
Baby. Once I mean for say group negotiation. We admin wa so we admin here. Me share or hang out or pimping we sex parties. Me sex parties me bisa me I mean here. Omo dey dimechi because they trust me. Say no, I don't do sex parties. It's illegal. Me pass them na your hotel na ya ba be chi na police.
It's e ban sa na mo ko ji hotel.
The G-Full hotel. And you how G-Full hotel. Then they to him. Sometimes hotel management in Bomu Nimo. My necessity, na koso. If you want so amunim, they are aware. No more. If you meet me as expert, you afraid. Na police abane abetcho. Na yako jomuska. What I say in Mugase. So because of that, me say me yes expert.
Yeah, raw ni condom side no. So mutu me ba unka some raw. Say ni oh yes I dey no. That
me say me ma Hookup. I say use condom. Yeah, very smart. Yes. Unim no. Why would you have raw sex just for that? Use condom. But your bema be oba or no pero and I'm super raw. I don't pero. you won't you hook up a hair roda. Opera, compare again, now no feel no I raw. It's in your raw. Obi was so opera, I'm saying that would be brand na my suspect too, no my killer or my block you. Yeah.
You better say onya Melania Kasa Sam. SBTV Africa. So you better say buy or be kan yama chere why.
Mate, me that see.
Wow, in same town, in same city wo Ghana nkasa. So we be na make say SBTV Africa ye de bremo no. Eye the naked truth. Your program we buy say na be ya obehu enyama ekoso. O de futu, be fa futu wom. Obehu de no mma be kasa. Awofo omo ye ne de ye ne omo kasa no mu njai. Ba bisa ho so mbeti ana. Omo kwa be remo no. Eno and here is our video here, but send a bear for a baby winning into a very educative program. Nameba and yet promotional purpose. 2 tier branch or Casaya and some more can and Bana Casan batu or no and no open piomo. Very dangerous. Sir, social program where I'm sharing a was soon will be share and now subscribe to your channel down click so I send a bear the video to so. When you be ashe, if I be DJ, the more programs starting from July, the new segments our channel so mun share him our SBTV Africa so. Madam production team I say DJ Click, Nenazu, Sharon, we share mukoma okase tour, na majisu tour. Opeso ba show no so our the naked truth was story be opeso share our platform no so. A secret say na na brand here, how betimi afre e was 0244 790 902 and 0240 677-898. We share me a cassette tour. Na majesu tutu so tour. Makramo. Power jet car battery. Power keke. Meko.